Hi, Nick Dogan, North State Law. We safeguard your professional license so you can get back to business. Thanks for joining me today. I do sincerely appreciate it. So we're going to be discussing what's the difference between a censure and a public reprimand as it pertains to a licensed professional within the state of North Carolina. So public reprimand is going to be written. It's essentially going to be a more like a slap on the wrist, but a public one. And then a censure is going to be more severe version of public written discipline. Most licensing boards and state agencies will have one or the other. They'll either have a censure or they'll have a public reprimand, typically more likely to have a public reprimand. There are a few, like the North Carolina State Bar, which regulates attorneys, that has both. Public reprimand, like I said, it's going to be a little bit lower of consideration as far as penalty is concerned. Censure is going to be typically the highest form of written admonishment. And then above that is usually going to be a suspension. Neither of the censure or public reprimand is going to prevent you from practicing, in that profession for a set period of time. That's going to be the job of a suspension or revocation. These two, like I said, they're just both written, they're both public. They're going to be published on the board's website or state agency's website or state bar's website. And they're going to be put into the National Practitioners Database. So those are the main two differences between the two of them, is that kind of like the severity level or perceived severity level of the two. A lot of similarities between them. The public reprimand is a little bit more of a slap on the wrist, while the censure, like I said, is kind of like a little bit more severe of the written punishment between the two. So if you got any questions on anything, feel free to give me a call. My name is Nick Dogle. North State Law is my law firm. And my number is 919-521-8810. You can call or text that number. Everybody have a great day and keep taking care of North Carolina. Bye-bye.